Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are healthy and healthy. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Fatema Sabrin Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Work and Life class of class 6 on the topic third assignment. I am repeating, today our topic is Assignment 3 discussion. This is lecture number 3. Students, you have submitted your first 2 assignments of Work and Life. Today I will discuss on the topic of third assignment of Work and Life. Check your textbook and listen to me carefully with your writing elements. So let's start. Students, today I am going to talk about your third assignment, and the chapter you can follow is chapter 1. Named Intellectual Labor, Physical Labor and Self-Exploration. And the given lessons are lesson 1 and 2. Intellect and Physical Labor in the Advancement of Civilization. Lesson 3, History of the Invention of Fire. Lesson 4, Invention of Wheel, a Milestone. Lesson 5, on All About Container. Lesson 6, Method of Writing, Preservation of Meritorious Enterprise. Lesson 7, Can you say which one is what? Lesson 8, Robot, Impossible Turn Possible. Lesson 9, Space Adventure. Lesson 10, Self-Respect in Education and Workplace. Lesson 11, Do I Have Self-Esteem? Lesson 12, Self-Confidence in Student Life and Workplace. Lesson 13, Let's find out how much self-confident we are. Lesson 14, Creativity in Education and Workplace. Lesson 15, Am I Innovative? So from chapter 1, from these lessons, you can take help to complete your assignment 3. Now come to assignment or task. Do you think your self-esteem? Measure the self-esteem of your father or mother or any guardian with the help of the table below and determine his or her position based on the number obtained. So here you can see the box, and inside the box there are some information. You have to fill this information. So first, what you have to do? The first question is, do you think yourself self-esteem? You have to answer on this question. Students, are you thinking that you are self-esteem? First, you will give explanation on that. If you are self-esteem, you have to explain why you were. Suppose you used to do any work and people used to show negative view on that, but you are confident of your work. So that time you are self-esteem. You are not hearing the negativity of the people. You are focusing on your work. That is called self-esteem. It doesn't matter whether you are successful or not, but you are satisfied with your work. That matters. So first, you will explain whether you are self-esteem or not. Then you have to measure the self-esteem of your father or mother or any guardian with the help of the table below and determine his or her position based on the number obtained. So after answering the first one, you will measure the self-esteem of your father or mother or any guardian, including your sister, your brother, your uncle, or any person of your family whom you consider as your guardian. So how you will determine? First, look at this box. Here you can see the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then instruction. First, number 1 is dutifulness, second one is punctuality, number 3 is self-reliance, number 4 humility, and number 5 values. And the scores will be given on regular, sometimes less. So here we are counting regular 10, sometimes 7, less is 3. So this is given, you can change it, or you will give number on your thinking that the desire. Suppose one can be dutiful in regular time, then he or she will give 10 out of 10, and if he or she is not regular, then sometimes how much you will give the person, it will vary. It depends on you. So in 5 serial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to count 10. So 10 multiplies 5, it will be 50. So you will count the marks on 50. From 30 to 50, from 30 to 50 will be considered as a self-esteem. So from 30 to 50 will be considered as self-esteem. Then you can count from 15 to 29 as less self-confident. Then you can give the comment that need to progress, need to practice more like this. So how you have to do? Just you will fill the gaps or fill the information, fill the scores based on their performance. So as I say, first you have to give the answer whether you are self-esteem or not. You have to give explanation on that, and then you will write about the person whom you will choose for this obtain marks. So you can take your father, you can take your brother, sister, mother, anyone, and then you will write about the person, why you think that that person is a self-esteem, and you have to write the causes that you feel they will deserve the marks, and then you will fill the box with proper information. And for getting excellent, you have to follow this assignment criteria. Number 1, being able to identify yourself properly. Number 2, being able to fill the prescribed table accurately. Number 3, being able to measure accurately and determine location. Number 4, significant individuality and creativity in filling and measuring table. Number 5, accuracy in spelling and sentence structure. Number 6, submission of assignment on time. So by following these instructions, you can get excellent if you do your assignment properly. And one thing you have to keep in mind that you have to submit your assignment on due time. Then you will get excellent. Your submission date is 18th September. I'm repeating, on 18th September you have to submit your third assignment of work and life. Students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Please do your assignment and submit it on due time. That's all for today. Hope you'll meet again in next class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.